Driving speeds stimulate a lot of discussion. They play a crucial role in the safety and efficiency of our transportation network. So, what influences drivers' choices for the speed they drive? Posting or changing a speed limit has not shown to be as effective as you think. In fact, speed limits have very little effect relative to other factors. Designers consider many elements when designing a safe road. One of the elements designers consider is the presence of different roadway features on or along the road, such as the presence of a sidewalk or a raised median. Elements like these have been found to have a larger impact on drivers' speeds than signs. Drivers are more influenced by how the road looks, feels, and the overall surroundings, rather than by what is posted on a sign. A recent study looked at 19 locations around Minnesota to see how drivers adjust their speeds based on changes in the posted speed limit and other contextual factors related to the roadway environment. Some of the largest speed reductions occurred as drivers encountered roundabouts and raised medians. So, what works best to influence drivers' choice of speeds? Let's look at some common misconceptions surrounding road design and speed. Myth 1. Designers use a design speed that results in higher traffic speeds. Design speed mostly affects the design of suburban and rural roadways. Urban roadway design is primarily controlled by the need to accommodate vehicles such as emergency vehicles, school buses, snowplows, and garbage trucks. Certain roadway features such as the presence of curb and gutter and raised medians will reduce vehicle speeds on urban roadways. Myth 2. All roads must be designed the same for consistency. There are many different road functions, environmental settings, and other factors that influence what the roadway speed should be. Roadways that serve different functions within the roadway network are designed differently to address the needs of the users and surroundings. A road that is intended to serve access to adjacent land will look and drive differently than a road that is intended to move a lot of traffic across different regions. Myth 3. Narrowing driving lanes has a large effect on speed. While narrow lanes may result in some reduction in vehicle speeds, other roadway features are more likely to result in greater speed reductions, such as the presence of curb and gutter, sidewalks, and medians. Within the same urban context, vehicle speeds are likely to be similar when comparing standard and narrow lane widths. Myth 4. A tight corner radius should be used to control turning speeds. While it may be reasonable to allow turning vehicles to track across the center line in a low-volume area where large vehicles are rare, the same cannot be assumed for busier roadways where other vehicles are consistently present. On these roadways, larger vehicles need to be able to make their turn without crossing into oncoming traffic and not driving over the sidewalk where pedestrians might be waiting. Myth 5. Posted speed limits should always be reduced if a school campus is adjacent to the road. School zone speed limits alone are not effective or proven to reduce vehicle speeds. Depending on the roadway function, in areas where pedestrian activity is limited or non-existent, school zone speed limits likely will have little to no effect on vehicle speeds. School zone speed limits should be used when supported by an engineering study and where they are most needed, at locations where there is consistent school pedestrian activity. Many schools may have traffic congestion issues. However, a school zone speed limit does not solve congestion. Physical improvements are needed within school sites to ensure that traffic congestion does not extend onto adjacent roads. Myth 6. Drivers will slow down if a lower speed limit is posted. Posting a lower speed limit without changing the roadway context or adding certain roadway elements is unlikely to change driver behavior. Studies have shown that if you want lower speeds, then you will need to change an element of the roadway environment, not just install a new sign with a different limit. We hope this video gives you some insight into some of the tools designers use to control speed. As shown, just posting a reduced speed limit without changing the road design is unlikely to slow drivers down. For more information, visit the links in the description for related studies.